It's Twin World with Forrest and Sage. There's no telling what they might say. It's Twin World, Forrest and Sage.
Hello everyone, welcome to another Twin World video. Today,
mystery box time.
We are going through the mystery box. Which one is this?
This is the premium box.
This is the premium box
So,
for Jeffree Star Valentine's Day.
Yes, so.
I don't know if I've ever done this.
Yeah, we did Shein.
Not
a mystery box.
Mystery box.
So, a little story. First, hello everyone, how are you? I had gotten the deluxe box on the day of everything. And I didn't realize I accidentally put a premium in my boxes, in my cart as well. So, the premium one, not the premium one.
He accidentally got
two. I actually got two. So I have a deluxe box and a premium box. The premium one's already here.
Which one did you accidentally get? The premium or the deluxe?
The premium.
Oh. So you accidentally spent $60.
Yes.
Love that.
Happens, whatever. So, whatever. I have it now. People are gonna love it as a gift. So we have the premium box here, and then we have the deluxe box, which is gonna be here on Monday. Today is Saturday. So, there's gonna be a little switch in the video because we're gonna change clothes and you'll have a reaction of that one.
And then at the end of this video, we might be doing a giveaway.
We'll see.
We'll see. If we get to the end of this video and we decide no,
yep.
Oh well.
Oh well. So, premium box. $60 is what it cost. It has 4 items, 3 exclusives. Careful.
Imagine we just
I don't even know what the hell's in this. Some people are saying that they don't like it. But those people are assholes.
I don't know why they wouldn't.
I know, right?
It's a mystery for a reason.
Alright, people, let's see. I got a beanie! I didn't know there was... The premium didn't have a size. Hold on, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. I see a whole bunch of shit. So we got a beanie. Love that. Oh. I like beanies.
Do you?
Not really, but I could.
I like baseball caps.
Yeah. What do we think? We'll put a poll.
Yeah.
Do I look good in a beanie? Or just more like Drew Monson?
So we have a pop socket?
Pop socket as usual. So
Does Kelsey need a new one?
Kelsey's gonna need a new pop socket eventually. Or Katie.
And then we
have a gloss.
The gloss. That's what I'm saying. Is this a...
What?
Is this an alien palette?
I think it's an alien palette. But we're gonna wait.
We'll come back to that.
Okay.
So the gloss.
The gloss. This is shade Succulent. See, it's like, this is the shit. Oh my god. I love the packaging. Ooh.
So this is the gloss. It's
like a pink.
Oh, I would hope so.
It's vanilla. Wow, that's vanilla.
That's sparkly. That is some serious sparkle.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like two.
Looks like you dipped your mouth in glitter.
No, it feels so good.
That's good. It looks like you just like fell asleep in glitter.
Oh my god. That looks good though. You know who'd like this?
Kelsey.
Mom.
She would.
Yeah. Alright, there's one thing for Mom. This is the thing, is like we buy these mystery boxes and then
for other people
and they get like, say we just got a hat so far. That feels so good. We got an alien palette. Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding me?
Bitch.
Are you fucking kidding me? And we have to give this to somebody?
What do you mean?
We're keeping it?
Why? You spent good money on this. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
It's this way.
Yes. Oh my god. It's, oh my god. Look at the green.
Wow.
This is pretty. The thing is like who I know, yes, we should probably give this to somebody. But it's like who? But it's like also it would be great for us to keep it.
Don't you love how he never mentioned the giveaway part of that sentence?
At all. We couldn't give this away. Our friends would be pissed.
I know.
This lip gloss is amazing. Is it still shiny?
Mm-hmm. Wow. I like this. For someone who doesn't have this stuff,
Yeah.
I like this mystery box. Because mystery boxes are supposed to be, you're not supposed to know what you're getting.
Yeah, exactly.
For people who have like the whole collection, I guess you now have doubles. If you use a lot of makeup all the time, I'm sure you need another palette. So this is part one.
Part 1. We'll see you
And
in a
in
moment.
2 seconds, part 2.
Yeah. Box number 2.
Part 2.
Part 2. Hello everyone again.
It's Monday.
Monday now.
Almost cut the box, Forrest.
So, Sage and I have a friend who got a mystery box as
We
well.
have friends?
Yes. And she got a palette that, or she wants, but she won't really use it. So hopefully there's something in here for her.
It's a big box.
Yeah. Ready?
I get the hat!
Look at that!
I love the hat.
Okay. Nice! Got 2 hats. Got a beanie, got a base. You're a baseball hat person, so. I love that.
Love that.
Oh, that's cute.
Love that.
I love that. That's good.
Love that for me.
You got a t-shirt.
Got a t-shirt.
Oh, it's the, I think it's the sweater, but he has a sweater with this on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love
that.
that.
Shirt for Valentine's Day.
Yep.
Oh my god, we got straws!
I have my own.
We can share them.
Yes. Okay. I like the green. What's that?
A mystery liquid lip.
Ooh.
It's like a,
Mmm.
there's no name on it.
It's a
It's a broken heart.
Oh.
Pretty though.
So this
I like
is
the
never
red.
gonna be made again?
Yeah.
With Velour liquid lip. Love that color.
We got a gloss. Legends only. That's the gold, right? Oh, it's a tan. Alright, let's see.
Oh, it's a shimmer.
Oh, is it?
I like how you always put that on your lips, but you don't put the other one on your lips.
Ooh,
And
I'll take that. That's mine.
let me close up this one. Give us a second. Hey, I'm gonna start with this one.
Yes. The Jawbreaker. Jawbreaker palette.
Jawbreaker. It's a
Nice.
mini breaker.
Ooh, I haven't seen this one. That's pretty. I like the purples.
I like the purples.
Look at all the shit our friends are getting.
None of them are getting any of this.
This might be something.
24 carats.
Skin Frost Pro palette. King Tut, Dark Horse. We have the King Tut in the big shade. We actually have that one. That's pretty. That's very pretty. I wonder what mirror it is.
What'd you say?
I wonder what mirror it is.
They said I wonder what year it is. I go,
No.
it's not wine.
Really though. Oh, just a pink one.
Ooh. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
And people were hating on these boxes.
I
don't
know. I
why.
think you did very good.
I love
We got
them.
straws and hats and shirts.
I got
out
a
of it.
nice hat.
I got a lip gloss too. Yes.
We'll have to see what our friend wants.
Yes.
To trade. I don't know if I want to trade.
You're probably gonna want the 24 karat.
We'll see.
Yeah. All right. So looking at everything that we have,
Yeah.
I mean, we're gonna keep the merch items: the T-shirt, the hats, the straws. We have 24 karat.
We have a
the
24
mini breaker, the gloss. Nope, that's mine. The mirror, and then the alien palette.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Our friend just texted us, and she's gonna take these. Okay. So those are out of the facing. So now the only thing we have left, sadly,
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys are gonna want it.
Is we're gonna give away an alien
Alien
palette.
So, in the comment section below, be subscribed.
Tell us how you found us.
Yep.
Tell us your favorite video of ours.
Yep.
And tell us how to find you.
Yes.
And that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. Yeah, leave in the comment section below. And you'll get an alien
I'm
palette.
gonna get an alien palette.
We have never done a giveaway like this
We've
before.
never done a giveaway.
It's gonna be fun.
But someone, and like this is like a hot commodity.
Yeah, because they don't make them anymore.
They're not making these anymore, and we could sell this.
Yes. So,
But we're gonna give it away.
fight to the death, guys.
Yeah, really. And we'll pick somebody.
Yes. We're gonna post the winner on our community tab.
Yeah.
On Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah.
So make sure you subscribe so you can see our community tab and
All that fun stuff.
all that fun stuff and see if you're the winner. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Make sure you like, favorite, and subscribe.
With the friends, so guys.
We were Salva's Spot.
Jeffree Star.
Jeffree Star. I think you're Twin World approved.
Yes, 100%.